All right, so we're in our first trade on Nvidia. Everything is, yeah, we're out these contracts, guys. 7% loss, $33. So we made a nice $100 off SPX and we're down $34 off Nvidia. So we're up $66 off the day. We're waiting for an actual trade setup. And as traders, we got to find the best trade setup in our favor. Posted my trade ideas. Got a nice support here on Apple. SPY's is ranging. Good morning, my fellow traders. Time is currently 6:07 a.m., 20 minutes before the market officially opens, and we currently got everything open, ready to chart up in the pre-market. Now, SPY hasn't really went much anywhere, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about here soon. But with all that being said, I hope you guys have been killing it. It's currently Tuesday. I hope you guys have been enjoying yourselves, enjoying this holiday, getting some good Christmas presents for your family, or even getting some from your family. Let's keep on killing it. Let's keep on improving every single day. Let's keep working towards our goals every single day. Let's keep working towards our dreams and imagining what we want in front of us every single day, guys. So we did come back from the gym. We've been going to the gym 2 times this time. Last week we missed 1 day, so we're gonna do our best to go all the way this week, and we're gonna do our absolute best to call out some fire ass trades today. So yesterday we only called out 1 trade, but we took 2 trades total, but we only called out 1 of them. Now the only trade that I called out did horrible. Unfortunately, 19% loss, 40, I think it was like $43 a contract, maybe even worse. Let's see what we can catch today, and I'm gonna show you guys today's market. SPY on the 4-hour, guys. SPY hasn't really went. It's kind of just going sideways. I gotta be very careful trading this week because we got, not only do we have FOMC this week, but market's just going literally just kind of sideways ranging on the 4-hour. We're gonna see what we catch in this crazy market. We're just gonna make sure we take good trades. Posted my trade ideas this morning. I like to do a pre-market analysis, see what's going on. Got a nice support here on Apple. SPY's is ranging sideways, and Google got a nice cup and handle, and Nvidia is breaking below daily support, so maybe a little retest here and back down. Of course, we got to make sure and wait for the market to open and see who's here, see who's in control, buyers or sellers. Damn, so Google's taking off that cup and handle. Apple's breaking out of that support, and I forget exactly what other trade idea I had other than those ones, but let's check right here. So I had Apple for a nice support bounce here. Then I have SPY just showing the range. So I guess it's just SPY and Google. So Google and SPY are both doing the does it. Nvidia needs to come retest this zone. And then we'll probably have some good trade ideas. But so far, Google, I could easily enter here since we got a nice breakout of this most recent highs. Gonna probably push for some more new highs. Apple's going crazy, already got that nice push. Even though I want to be in a trade, I do not want to force a trade because I've done that before many times throughout my life. I've already experienced that in my first couple of years of trading, is entering in a trade just because I believe it might drop down or I believe it might pump up. That is the worst thing you can do. There's no actual trade setup behind it. There's no risk reward ratio. You're just entering and hoping that it either goes up or down, hoping to collect something, to wait for an actual trade setup. And as traders, we got to find the best trade setup in our favor to capitalize off a nice trade setup. So I'm going to wait patiently for a trade setup on the intraday market. Just an update an hour later. I did miss a few setups on the first breakout, but it happened so quickly. The best one was Apple. I was eyeing some AMD after Apple happened, and I probably will look for Nvidia calls. I already told the Discord that's what we're looking for. This is my price target and stop loss for Nvidia if I do enter. So Nvidia's already breaking out, and this 5-minute candle closes in 30 seconds. All right, so we got that candle close. Let's get a dip going and we'll enter in on these. These are only going for $230 a piece, so I'll buy 2 of them, but we need a dip. So we got a nice candle close outside of it, but we need a nice dip. So I think it's already gone over $1 move on Nvidia in 1 single minute. Nvidia went crazy and hit price target, which these contracts were at $220. I currently have SPY on right now, but the contracts hit $300. So that was a pretty good trade if I would have entered. Unfortunately, that thing just went crazy, no retest. But SPY. All right, so we're in our first trade on Nvidia. Everything is falling down here besides Nvidia and AMD, so it is a little bit of a risk. So we're gonna have a tight stop loss, good risk to reward ratio. All right, so it's already pulling up to our stop loss, which we're only down 6%, which is not too crazy at all. All right, so we're finally seeing some green. It's finally pushing 5% here, $20. Just waiting for some more gains, of course, guys, because we don't want to sell too early. It is just going sideways still, guys. Look on the 15 minutes, man. That's my entry right there. We're gonna have to cut it here real soon. 15 minutes just chopped me out all the way, man. Look at that entry here. Never got that drop. I mean, we saw 5%, but it's not enough, obviously. Down 5% right now. Yeah, we're out these contracts, guys. 7% loss, $33. All right, so we thought we was gonna end it there, but I did actually take a trade after I got off. I ended up chasing some SPX puts to the downside. Nvidia ended up dropping and doing everything we wanted to do. But guys, look at this freaking chop, man. And then we're gonna end it out here. Nvidia chopped for over like Let me see how many candles that is. Chop for 3 hours before we could finally get a drop. These contracts are finally in profits, major profits, but you guys can see it literally just went sideways. So we decided, you know what? F Nvidia. Everything else is falling. So we'll just take some SPX puts below this most recent low, get a nice scalp trade. And these contracts are now sitting at 152. These are my orders right here. We got in for 125, sold them at 200, got in one more at 55, sold at $80. So we made a nice $100 off of SPX, and we're down $34 off Nvidia. So we're up $66 off the day. That was a quick $100 trade in and out, and we're gonna close it there because market closes in 30 minutes. Hope you guys are winning. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the love, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And let's keep on pushing up these numbers. Let's keep running up these trades. Let's do our best to get better every single day. And what I am going to do is do a recap of the market and see the 3 trades that I missed. And I hope to see you guys on the recap, and I hope to see you guys in the Discord.